Welcome back to the channel, guys. As always, I'm Sean, and today we're going to be taking a look at my 2017 GMC Sierra 1500, and I have a really unique product that we're going to be reviewing today. It is a rear seat truck air mattress. Now, I came across this product when I was taking a trip across country and I was trying to save a couple bucks on hotels, and this product is a rear seat air mattress. It basically turns the back seat of this crew cab into a sleeper, like a big rig sleeper, or maybe a hot shot, if you guys are familiar with what those are. Most people will take 2x4s and some plywood and foam and create a real framed out bed in the back seat of their trucks. But I'm not a guy who's using this commercially, so I didn't really need or want to frame out the back seat of my truck. I do want to use it still, especially when I get to where I'm going. I'm gonna have a couple buddies pile into the truck and we're gonna need all that room. So to have a framed out bed with all the foam and stuff, one that takes up cabin space, and two, that's just not practical for my application. Before I purchased this air mattress, I was looking all over YouTube and online for review videos, and I was unable to find anything that covered this specific air mattress. Now, this one has a 600-pound capacity, and it's supposed to fit the back seat of a full-size pickup truck. Crossing my fingers because, like I said, there were almost no reviews and definitely no videos about it. And that's why I decided to bring this one to you guys. So if you like what you see and you want this particular air mattress for yourself, go ahead and take a look in the description below. I have it linked down there for you. And if you got value out of this video, if it helped you make an educated purchase, go ahead and hit that like button for me. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos about the 2014 to 2018 GMC Sierra and Chevy Silverados. All right, guys. Always nice to put some cardboard there so you don't cut through the mattress. Okay. And it does come with a pump. Oh, there's your pillow. Okay. So far it feels pretty nice. Got some instructions. Let's go ahead and take a look and see how this fits. Now that we have it unboxed, we're going to go ahead and we're going to open up the back seat here, lay it across, fill it up, and we'll give it a good test here real quick. it could be a little tricky. So first time here, guys, first time. Now that's the top portion. The top portion is separate from the bottom portion. We're going to do that now. There's apparently a lot to get used to with this thing. It's a little difficult, but that's all right. One thing I noticed already, I'm going to need to slide these guys up, these seats here. And there you have it, guys. It actually fits very well back here. Seems like a really nice material. I'll let you know as soon as I get to test it out. But I'm going to crawl in there right now. All right, guys. As you can see, this is actually a lot nicer than I thought it was going to be. It has this nice fabric, kind of felt top to it. Fills out the cab very nicely. The height from the seat, like the floor to the top of the seat, very nice. The length, not so much. You're missing by a couple inches, but it doesn't matter anyways because these cabs are so short. If you're a shorter person, it's perfect for you. I'm 6'3". I'll just fill this in with pillows or something, maybe a blanket. It's not a big deal. It's going to get the job done. This isn't an everyday thing. This is just a camping thing. A road trip where I don't care because I'm really not trying to spend any money on hotels. This is going to save me a couple bucks and I'm going to get to where I'm going without having to stress. And that's the name of the game with this. One thing that's nice is it goes the whole way across. So it goes from the back seat to the front seat when the front seats are fully extended forward, which gives you that much more room. Now this is a full crew cab. This is not the double cab. So this does have a lot more room. And honestly, I think two people can fit here comfortably without an issue. So if you have a significant other, you could definitely fit here. It's not, again, it's not the most ideal, but it'll get the job done if you're in a pinch or if you're driving late and getting up early and you don't want to deal with having to pay a couple $100 for a hotel room or whatever. Hey, this honestly I think is a good investment. So if you guys want one of these for yourself, go ahead and take a look in the description below. I have the link right there for you. If you guys learned something, if you found value in this video, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos about the 2014 to 2018 Chevy Silverados and GMC Sierras, and I'll catch you in the next one.